Sup guys, it's Dana. Welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button. I was live like 2 minutes ago, but I have to do it over because I had it on mute. So I was just talking to myself. Anyways, as I was saying in the muted version, coins are looking good today. Market is looking okay. Just like yesterday, not much has changed except for Luna Classic and Luna and some other few coins. Classic Luna minus 18% on the daily. Luna 2.0 minus 5%. We got Kava, Axis, Waves, and Cardano and KSM hot. These are looking better than most, up by 2 digits. I'm just checking that I'm not mute. Okay, no. Ape minus 4%. So most are looking okay. Not that bad. So let's get into the charts and we will take it from there. We will start with Bitcoin's chart as usual. So yesterday I was emphasizing that it's very important for us to not get back in this channel, for us to continue with the rally to the upside. And it was very important for us to bounce off this upper side of the channel and use it as support, which we have been doing. But both these candles are closing. It looks like this one did close below the 38.2 Fibonacci level, and this one looks like it's also gonna be closing below it. It's not a good sign when we can't close one candle above this level right here. This one closed at 31.7, also below it. Same here, 31.7, 31.5, 31.7 again, 32. This is the only candle that closed above the 38.2 level, which is good. And we did go a bit more higher because of after that, but seems like we're closing below again. Volume is not looking too shabby. It's okay. MACD is kind of losing the positive momentum right now. We were oversold yesterday, like I said. I did expect some type of pullback when we were up here. And I did say we might pull back a little bit from here and then go sideways. And we did, and I did say as long as we go sideways, it's fine. As long as we don't break to the inside this range again, it's also fine. Just a minute. And I'm back. So only 10 minutes left until the 4-hourly candle closes. It would have been better if we closed above this level, of course, but doesn't look like that's happening right now. But anything can happen. We will see in 10 minutes. The daily is still right around the 50 line. It looks like it wants to roll over, but we're holding. A nice bullish engulfing candle here, but no follow through just yet. MACD is looking nice, but when it comes to the divergence, it's not looking good. There is like, it's looking bearish. I am gonna talk about how high we can go further into the show if if this rally continues for a little while. But right now the pullback seems like it's here. Still, important thing is for us not to go below this line. If we can use it as support now, it's a good sign. Let's check Ethereum out. So we are still above this critical level here, and I did say yesterday that if we fall below it, if we close below it, daily or 4 hourly or even the 12 hour, we're probably gonna go back down because this is a critical level here. It did hold as support many times here and here. We broke it after that, and then it was a bit of a resistance for a few hours, and then we broke out of it. But this line is, if you go all the way back, just a moment, let me just remove this. You guys can see I could have one more here, just a moment. Let's see now. So it's very important we hold this line here. We held it as support here 1, 2, 3, 4 times before breaking to the downside. So it's crucial for us to stay above it so we can have a continuation to the upside. And if you look at the hourly, you can see that we kind of back tested it and then we went higher, but then yeah, looks like we could touch it again. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, we can have a look at it. I mean, it's still looking bad, very bad. MACD is weakening. We are not oversold yet. Oh, I was saying the wrong thing here. Sorry. Here, I meant to say we are not. Here we are oversold. Right here, as you can see, 4 hourly. But Ethereum was not oversold still though. The MACD and the RSI is kind of turning bearish because yesterday I did mention for us to stay short-term bullish, we have to break this. For us to go out from the short-term bullish, we had to go above 2090. We had to have a close above 2090. It doesn't look like we are gonna get it. And we are at profit-taking levels. So I'm not surprised if any pullback happens. Not surprising. Bitcoin is having a pullback, clearly. From sideways movement, we went up. Volume was building, but then it died. And this is nothing that should be so surprising. After this type of rally, a little bit of a pullback is due. Thing is, are we gonna pull back all the way down here, or are we gonna hold this as support? If we hold this as support, we're good. Let's look at Luna Classic. It was doing very good yesterday, but today it's back down. down like 13% on KuCoin and 8% on Huobi. It's not looking so damn good, but yeah. So waves yesterday, I was mentioning that a pullback was due. We were on profit-taking levels. We were around profit-taking levels. I did say that between 11 and 12 would be a good place to probably get out and take some profit. And we did reach 10.7. And I did also say that these levels would be profit-taking levels. And we've been pulling back since. We were overbought, as you can see here. Very overbought here, so it was time for a pullback. So nothing strange here. The question is, how low can we go? And yeah, we can come all the way back to $5, $6, even 4.8. But if we break, yeah, if we break the 6.6 range, we're going further down. So the 4-hourly candle has started in Bitcoin. Let's keep an eye on it. We did close below the 38.2, unfortunately, which doesn't show strength right now. MACD is weakening. We're not at overbought levels like we were here, but and if we look at the hourly, I don't think we're done. We might just break this line. If we break this line, then let me change colors just to not be confused. So if we break back to the inside range, we can go back all the way to the hard line, all the way to around 30,600, 30,500, somewhere there, somewhere around that price range. but we're still holding. We did test it twice. This is the hourly. We tested this level twice, this as support, and we bounced back up. Volume is not looking so strong right now. I don't know, the fight between the bears and the bulls is strong. What other altcoins? Let's have a look at ADA, Cardano, nice engulfing candle here, bullish one, nice volume, decent volume, but it doesn't look like this is gonna continue unless we break 0.9, unless we break first this level right here around 0.7 and get back above this short-term moving average. It doesn't look so strong right now. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button. But most importantly, comment and let me know what you think. I'd like to hear your opinions about the current market. So yeah, ADA not looking so strong anymore. I think we have resistance around 0.6, yeah, around these levels, profit taking levels. That's why people probably just sold somewhere here. Yeah. And the 4 hourly, wow, this is an ugly candle. There you go. Gravestone Doji. Yeah, this is a sign to sell. Look, we're overbought. Gravestone Doji at the same time. Around profit level, profit taking levels. We have three factors to sell, telling us to sell. Three factors: overbought, RSI, MACD was weakening, not here, but on the next one, and we are at profit taking levels. And plus this candle here, Gravestone Doji. It's a triple trouble if you're still in it after you see those signs. Let's go back and check Bitcoin. By the way, guys, if there's any altcoin or anything else you'd like me, stocks, anything you'd like me to have a look at, we can have a look at it together. Just let me know in the comment section. So what else? What else? Let's have a look at Atom. I did say yesterday if Bitcoin starts rolling over, it's probably gonna drag most of the other altcoins with it. Anyway, Atom on the daily. Let me remove these. Well, Atom, if anybody had a trend line drawn like this, they would have known it was time to go out before it came back to those levels. Because the minute we could not get back above this trend line and we got rejected a few times, and this was a fake out, probably got a lot of people caught, but we just fell back down hard. Anyways, let's see how low we can go, or are we in the lows, or can we go lower? We can go all the way to 640. Let me check on my other screen. I'm just gonna chart it out. Yeah, daily, there is literally no support, nothing holding us until we could even see $5. I mean, 5.2, mid five, higher fives, but somewhere around these levels should be buying levels. We are not oversold yet on the weekly. There is no divergence, nothing that convinces us to get in right now. It's just MACD is getting a bit weaker, but look at this volume here, weekly. It's harsh. It kind of looks like the Bitcoin downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, just like Bitcoin. It's been going down for 9 weeks in a row. And this is the first green candle after 9 weeks. So there can be a little bit of strength. We could go back up and test, but I don't think so. Right now it's looking weak. Daily is not looking better either. We are oversold. We could go back up, but right now we can't even. I don't think so. Back to Bitcoin. It's very, very crucial that we do not fall back in this range to keep this upside momentum. We already tested it. We held that support here. So yeah, S&P is down today, not looking good. It's probably dragging Bitcoin with it. So Bitcoin, I've been saying this whole time, I think it's a bull trap. I just think we had a relief rally, but I do believe this is a bull trap. I'm not convinced. Like I said yesterday, people are still, Luna is the proof for this show going on, for this circus. People are still buying Luna too, as if nothing ever happened. So I don't feel like we're at capitulation yet. I don't feel like there's a lot of fear in the market yet, even though the greed and fear index is very high right now. I don't feel like we are there when you look at the total market situation, the price action. And then we do have audio. Let me just remove drawings. Wow, this has been wow. There is like volume is building up, okay, but But that's it. I think, let's see now. Let's check it out. How high can it go? Look at this volume right here, 4 hourly. That's high. That's a good one. But not a lot of action here. Not anymore. Um, yep. Profit taking levels again. All the way from here to here. Profit taking levels. Hourly volume is fine. We're not overbought. So back to Bitcoin. I'm just gonna grab some water, just a minute, and I'll be back. I'm back, guys. Just a second. I've been trying to find music that wouldn't get me into trouble with YouTube, but it's difficult. Anyways, Let's get back to business. Bitcoin is still holding out. Weekly is still looking okay. We are losing negative momentum on the MACD. It's just that we were so overbought here. A pullback was kind of due. That's why we have some sideways actions, and it's very, very good that we still did not break inside this range and this parallel channel. The upside is now holding as support so far. Guys, I am here. I am in the stream. I am with you. It's just that I don't want to talk for the sake of talking, just to talk if there's nothing important to say all the time. So that's why I'm quiet, but I'm here. Um, I'm screening the charts. So if you have any requests, just write in the comment section and we can have a look at it together. But I like the way Bitcoin is holding above the parallel channel right now. That's why I said on yesterday's stream that it is very, very important that we stay above this parallel channel. We do that and we're good. We're good for now. Hi Mukesh. Mukesh, what's next? What's next with... What do you mean with what's next? Do you mean what's next with Bitcoin price, or let me know so I understand a little better? Next target, next Bitcoin target. Well, if we stay, if we hold, if we hold above this channel and we have a daily close somewhere here, next target is actually somewhere here, around 34. Let me go to a clearer chart so you can see it. Okay, that wasn't as clear. But next one is somewhere here. But just 04. I gotta find a clear chart for you. There you go. Yeah, these are the levels. Well, we don't know how soon this is possible. We just had a nice daily engulfing candle and weekly strong, and the week just started. We're on a Tuesday. So we don't know time-wise when. We just know that as long as these levels hold and we don't get back into this range, the parallel channel, the chances are that we have more upside to do. So somewhere around this target is a fine profit level taking target, since we also have the Fibonacci golden pocket here and old resistance from a trend line that I drew a long time ago. So yeah, can we see this target of 34K by this weekend? It's very, very possible the way it's going right now, but it still comes down to the daily close today. If we close the daily, as you can see, right above this channel, we're still safe. But if we go back inside this channel, we're probably gonna go back to the old range where we did this. Let me take away the indicators. You see here? So it's crucial that we don't get back in it. But this is also a trader's heaven, because you just like buy here, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, and it kept on going like that until we broke it. So yeah, I hope that answered your question. So target around 33.5 to 35,000 maximum. Okay, no problem. Thank you. If there's anything else you'd like me to have a look at, just let me know. Let's have a look at Ethereum. We're still safe. We haven't broken this trend line. We're still safe. But if we break this, if we break 1917, it's not gonna be looking good. So holding this is also crucial. Yes, Mukesh, I can have a look at it, no problem. So gold, I think I have a chart of gold where let me see. There you go. Let me just, there we go. Let me just chart it on my other screen. Just a moment. Yeah, gold US dollar. Let's see now. Yeah, gold is actually looking a bit bearish on the daily. MACD is not good. We have a bearish engulfing candle here too. We had resistance at around 1980. Yeah. Let's have a look at it this way. Yeah, of course, profit taking levels as usual. And this candle right here did say a lot. It did want people to get out. But yeah, it's looking bearish right now. Daily and weekly. Let's see. I mean, we can draw a trend line just like this if we remove those. And this one as well, just a moment. So this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I gotta take away the magnet. It's so annoying. Ooh, gold is not looking so damn good right now. Yeah, look at this. So we never fell below it here. We touched this as support a few times. This is the weekly, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've been touching it, but right now we broke outside of it. And on the weekly, it looks like it's being rejected, but we do have 3 days more to go. Yeah, but yeah, gold is not looking so delicious right now. Um, let's look at the MACD on the weekly. MACD is still building negative momentum, so it's still bearish. We might have some 2 weeks, maybe 2, 3 weeks more of downside probably, or sideways action. So yeah, that's gold. I hope that answered your question. We already took profits here, and buying levels would be at, we are at buying levels right now. This is the golden pocket here. That's why we're seeing some type of support, and we're holding the short moving average as well. What low levels can we see in coming weeks? Well, in coming weeks, then we have to check the monthly, since you mean long term. And long term, wow. Okay. Long term, we got support around, we got support here, and buying levels around 1000. This is the golden pocket here. So around 1500 to 1600, somewhere there is a good buy. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. These are my own analysis and opinions. Um, but somewhere here would be fine. Let me remove the indicators for a clear picture. Yeah, right here. Here are your levels. And as you can see, it was buy levels at these prices too. Because if we do this, it's the same thing. Golden pocket, people buying here. And if we do this, it's still the same. So somewhere around here, 1700, 1600, it's good. I hope that answered your question. Yeah, if we don't get back above this trend line, then there's more downside to come. And if we do get back above this trend line, we kind of have this line to go with right here. And at the same time, it matches with the Fibonacci golden level. So these would be profit taking levels if we get back above this trend line. And what are the levels we see on upper side? Yeah, I just mentioned it. Um, it's around 1917, 1900, just around the highs of 1900. So somewhere around here. As you can see, we do have some type of resistance here. So, and resistance plus we got the golden pocket profit taking levels. So this combined with this, I'd take some profit somewhere here. But first of all, we have to get back above this line here. And yeah, we're not close yet. So at the moment, looks like more downside first. Yeah, that's gold. Gold US dollar. Let's have a look at Bitcoin and see if it's still holding. Yeah, we're holding. Looks like we might get some sideways action. Like I said, since I've been saying like for two days ago, yesterday also, as long as we don't break this, we're okay. We break this, we're coming here. And this hard line has served as support yesterday, as you can see here. Once we broke out of it, we kind of retested it, and then we just stayed here. So it's not looking bad. No, Mukesh, I do not have a Telegram channel nor Discord, but I am thinking of making one soon. I've been familiar with the technical analysis for a good while now, but I never ever like streamed or had a group or anything like that. So I am gonna do it. I wanna, of course, share my knowledge, and I'd like others to also share their knowledge. So I think I am gonna like create a group, and I might need some moderators then, but we'll take it step by step. So right now it's only me. Thank you, Mukesh. I appreciate it. Thank you a lot. Yeah, I love analyzing, and I think technical analysis is very important to be educated on if you want to deal with the markets. Fundamental is always good to know what's going on in the market, but technical analysis is the one that puts the nail on the coffin when it comes to making decisions and minimizing your risks. And of course, it's always important to have stop losses because you never know what can happen with the market. A good example is what happened to Luna. So it's always good to have stop losses and like double check always. Always update yourself and like do not make a trade based on analysis you made yesterday. Always keep yourself updated. So yesterday we did speak about waves as well, and I did mention a pullback was due when we were here, and we are pulling back. We were even around $7, $7.9, $7.3 earlier today. And I did say we were gonna pull back because of this profit taking level here, the golden pocket, and we touched the 61.5 like perfectly. And after that, we just started going downwards. So people took profit here. We have some type of ugly gravestone doji here too. So we have two factors telling us to get out. We have the golden pocket and we have this candle as well. And the huge red volume. And we were very, very, very overbought. So not two factors, four factors if we count everything. This factor, profit taking level, candle, volume, and the RSI being very overbought. So it was time to go down. That was waves. Yeah, even though we had a very good volume, you see, like it didn't matter when it came to the golden pocket levels. People still took profit. But before this huge rally, look at these beautiful dojis here. This one. This one was indicating a reverse. Let me take everything away, just a moment. This was indicating a reversal, this doji right here. And it was a beautiful engulfing candle, very nice one. But yeah, when it comes to profit taking, people take profit. It's not weird at all, as people should. So yeah, that was waves. I hope people who saw this stream yesterday got out in a good time and they're not still holding. So what else? What else is there to look at? There's so much to look at. That's why it's easier when somebody requests something. I don't think I have seen Luna today. Oh, it's down 12%. Okay. Good night, Mukesh. Good night and sweet dreams. And thank you for watching the show. I hope you consider liking and subscribing. And hopefully see you tomorrow on the next stream. So Terra is down 14% today. Yeah, this has become some type of pump and dump coin. I don't know why, but looks like it. It pumped when it got out, and then it dumped again, and then it pumped, and then it dumped. And people are still mad. And there's a lot of things going on around Luna, a lot of things coming out about Luna. I might make a video, a short one, just talking about the Luna situation and things, things, rumors, a lot of rumors. We don't know if it's true yet, but if it's true, it's very damaging to the Luna community. I mean, to the Luna devs and Do Kwon, not the community, but the community also, because they're also um, hurt because of all the things, all the chaos around Luna. So we were looking at Anchor a week ago, and I did say I did mention then that look, before I say something else, let me just show you one thing. That's super important to learn. You see here, guys, we were in buying levels here, but it didn't hold strong, so we fell. This is the 78.6 level. We kind of bounced off it because it's buying levels too here, but I see it coming down further. We are holding the midterm moving average, but I don't see this going up before going down. Nothing, no divergence, no trend reversal, no, there's nothing like that showing right now. So yeah, Anchor, it probably just pumped because of this Terra 2 thing. I don't see any other reason right now. So Bitcoin looks like we're still safe for now. I mean, MACD is starting to lose momentum, but RSI is turning again. At least we're not at overbought levels. I'm here, guys. I'm just checking out charts. I'll keep some background music so it doesn't get too quiet. But I'm here. If there's anything you want me to have a look at, we can have a look at it together. Just let me know. So guys, as you can see, we are good here. We're still holding above this level, above the house. I was kind of speaking with with myself for like a minute straight. I didn't notice I had the mute button on. Anyway, I was saying that people have probably longed here because on the weekly range, this is the golden pocket, and as you can see, people bought here. We have a nice wick here. On top of that, this trend line that has held for 6 weeks before in 2020, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it held as support, and it stayed as support this time as well. The problem is if we break this trend line, then we can talk about the next levels to the downside. But right now, we're still holding by a thread, especially if you look at this candle here. And it is the first weekly green candle after 9 weeks, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So we can go all the way back here, like I said. We can even test the 36 and then get rejected a little bit. But the golden pocket is right here. I drew it before. I can draw it again for you guys. This is the first level we have to break through. And if I put the moving, you see, the moving average is kind of in the same area. And MACD on the daily is not looking so strong. It's not screaming bullish, because for us to say we're bullish, we have to get above 39,900, and we are far from there right now. We need to go back up like 25%. Guys, I've been on almost for 2 hours now. I don't know if I should cut the stream here and then maybe come back before the daily close, but I'm gonna go and grab some food and take a break, and I will be back soon, very soon. And we can keep an eye on the daily close in 2 hours and 40 minutes. I'll probably be back in an hour if I shut the stream off now. So yeah, this is what's going on. Short summary, we're still above this parallel channel. We did test it. We bounced off it. It's important to stay above it, because if we close back in this range, in this channel, then we're probably gonna test the heart line. So I'll leave you with that. Please consider um, liking and subscribing to the channel. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit the bell button for more updates to get notified in time. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.